In this short video, we are going to talk about the brain stem. Recall that the brain is organized into 4 main regions: the brain stem, the diencephalon, the cerebellum, and the cerebrum. The brain stem is the most caudal region of the brain. Remember that caudal means towards the tail, and it is an important directional term that we need to know for the central nervous system. Now, the brain stem is made up of the medulla oblongata, the pons, and the midbrain. Notice those yellow fibers that emerge from the brain stem. Those are cranial nerves, and we will discuss cranial nerves later in this unit. Let's start with the medulla oblongata, as it is the most caudal region of the brain stem. It begins as the spinal cord passes through the foramen magnum. That is the beginning of the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata is the site of 3 important control centers: the cardiac center, which controls the rate and force of the heart contractions, the respiratory center, which controls the rate of breathing, and the vasomotor center, which controls blood pressure. Now, the pons lies immediately rostral to the medulla oblongata. Remember, rostral is another important directional term that we use in the central nervous system, and it means towards the snout. The pons is mostly white matter, as it contains sensory and motor tracts that go to and from the brain. The most rostral region of the brain stem is the midbrain. The midbrain has a lot of functions, but one of the important functions is the integration of auditory and visual reflexes. Because it contains integrative centers for the cardiovascular system, respiratory system, consciousness, alertness, awareness, damage to the brainstem is often life-threatening.